As I said earlier, uh, you are integrating art with learning kind of subject learning. In fact, you had worked in a school just to convert your school wall like a learning wall. Uh, can you share how we can just adopt your model in other schools?
Actually, sir, the teaching learning process is not based, it should not be with the four walls of the school or in the restricted area of a textbook. Learning means it must be an enjoyable way, a lifelong learning. The students should identify that learning should be a habit with them. So, for that, we have to motivate the child to work on a very, very, very happy way, learning with a happy way. We have to make a very, very ideal environment for the children to learn in a stress-free atmosphere. So I think, through art it is possible, because whenever art period is there, students are rushing over here because they can do something. Freedom is there. So whenever we give the freedom to a child, I think naturally the children will come up with a lot of ideas and a lot of readiness with the work with us. So I think this is more important in the case of education, and we, the teaching community, should prepare our children to what we can say to to learning process should be a lifelong process. It should not be with a degree. It should not end with a plus two or a PhD or something like that. It should be a continuous process, because many of the people are thinking that after degree, okay, my education is over, now I can get a job and then I can stop my education, so I know everything, I got a PhD, I got a doctor's degree, or this is the thing naturally people are thinking. It should not be like that. The education should be a lifelong process. It should be a habit. So we can learn lot of things even, and there won't be any kind of boundary also. We can learn certain things from the sixth class boy. We can learn certain things from the LKG student. So learning means it is a humble way of searching something. Uh, what we can say, always be a child. That is the easiest way. That is what I
Exactly, sir.
understand.
Right.
Because the small kids, they are very much curious about to know new things. When we became old in adult, we think that okay, we know many things. That is why it's not necessary to learn. But children are not like that. Small kids always asking questions and what is this, what is this, what is this, like that. That curiosity, if you continue till our end, I think he can do a lot of things. And the time
Yes.
management is another thing. I know. Yeah, okay, I will do tomorrow means that tomorrow will be continuing, and it will be day after tomorrow, tomorrow. So it is simply pushing it to some other level. Whatever we want to do it very earlier and in a practical manner. That is what I followed. And it never for any award, never for any recognition, and just to do whatever you want, and just to go for it. That is what my way of approach.
Exactly. So, do you feel that after getting this prestigious national award,
Uh,
society and school family will expect more from you?
that is of course, because
The kind of
whenever we are getting an appreciation, uh, the responsibility will be more, because if you don't have any recognition, it is very easy to manage everyone. But if you have a reputation, it is our duty to be more humble, and it is our responsibility to share certain things directly. The people are watching us, so definitely they want to know something about how we place in particular level or particular status, because it's a way of assessment. So I think people are more interested to listen our words. So we must be very conscious about that. So this is what I felt. Very huge difference from where without award, we can say anything, but up to
exactly,
this stage, we must be very conscious about what we should tell to others. This is more important, and we must be very, very humble, and we must be very polite to deal with the things. These are the two lessons we have to remember always, and should not use that I word. That is also I used to keep in my life. Whenever I used to talk something to the students, trying always projecting with a teamwork, because the team can only make success in our life, and individual cannot do anything. Individual
Exactly.
can
So,
make a spark, but it for materializing that thing, it's need a team. For working with that mechanism, it need a lot of things, like a train and its engine and its compartment. The engine can pull the thing, but there are many number of technicians and there are many number of people are working behind to run the train. A technician is needed and oil is needed, break in the railway lines, and there are many signal people are behind that. So like that is a collaborative approach, and a lot of
exactly.
technology behind that for lighting and even satellite communication. There are many thousands of people are working behind that. We should not think that okay, train is just riding only because of the ability of the driver. It's not like that. So this is what I used to stress the point.
So you are inspiring many students, society members. Please tell us who or what inspires you in daily, everyday life, sir.
Everyday life means, sir, every day is new for me, because whatever I believed or whatever I learned the next second before or 1 second before, that is changing the very next second. Our ideology also changing, technology
Uh-huh.
also changing. It is our responsibility to move with the technology and with the concept of the new generation, because otherwise the generation gap will come there. Because
Uh-huh.
whenever I talk with my own childrens, and they used to make a lot of words, okay, poly or something like a kidu, like that. Their own colloquial usage is there. So whenever we want
Mhm.
to communicate with them, we must identify the way of communication. That means how the present generation is communicating, what type of technology they are using, what type of outlook they are having. So we have to update. So updation should be there. And I think the teaching, I have to tell a very special point in this particular venue, that our teachers training should be shuffled. It should be redesigned, because the outdated training pattern cannot help the young generation to move with the new technology, because the every day the technology is changing. So we need to add a lot of things. And even after getting the ICT award and even after getting the president award, there are many things are left out with me to learn. And for connecting with many platforms, many that what we can say technology and many equipment, many hardwares. There are a lot of things every day. So many things are coming up. So we must move with the that present contemporary generation. Then only we can do something for the sake of the future child. And every child is coming with a lot of technological input, and a learned child is coming before us, not like a single traditional teacher, earlier teach something and the students are getting only the resource from the teacher only. But the present child is not like that. The child is coming with some pre-knowledge. He maybe might have seen some presentation or videos regarding the particular topic, or better than what we taught in the classroom. So in that output only, that input only, that child is coming to the classroom. So pre-learned child is coming to the classroom. So we have to be update for giving a very good answer with that child, how we can move for the next generation. And what are the demerits, that also we have to focus, because the online education is going on everywhere. But the child required a face-to-face interaction with a teacher, because the camera cannot identify the feel of a child. Because whenever we are sitting, a child is sitting before us, then only we can understand their expression, their feelings and their mood of everything. A teacher can identify, camera cannot identify all these things. Camera can focus only one figure or two figure or in a very tiny faces. So we cannot get all these things. So the mood of expression is very very important in the case of education. So I think and like that, I strongly believe that the aura of the teacher, when a teacher is sitting and the child is very near to that, that affection, that what we can say, that connection between that teacher and the student is very very vibrant. We can, there will be a laughing, there will be a smile, there will be a joke. There are a lot of things are happening, and friendship and a collaborative way, and jokes also happening in between that. Sometimes some students will do the naughty things. We need to correct that particular student. So classroom is so vibrant, but online education means, it is something, something, because now also we are talking each other. We do not know anything how what others are thinking, what how others are listening. We are not getting any feedback. Only I am seeing you. There may be thousands behind that, but we cannot understand the mode of expression, how they enjoy, how they
Exactly.
view these things. So this is the demerit of this online education. So
And we need to just take care of the emotions and the challenges we are facing
that
today.
that
Sir, you are an art teacher.
mm,
We have seen your exceptional work, just and also uh, you have already got India's highest ICT award for teacher. So you have very fond relationship with technology. What are the other interests you have?
other interest, I used to play tabla. I used to
Okay.
compose sometimes music for my own that films and all, because the thing I got, my father was a very good singer, and my sister she also Suja Kumari, she also got MA in music. She is also very talented. So I used to accompany with her and with my father for playing tabla, and some experience with me for some recording and other things. So I think music is very very close to me. It's an integral part of my life. Like that, the playing tabla is also a very very close part of my life. And another thing is photography. Photography means how it came. My father's brother was a photographer, so at the age of 3 I started at handling the professional camera, and still that journey is going on. And
Oh my
I was a
God.
news photographer along with my study. During my finance college second year onwards, I was working as a news photographer. Both the thing I was doing this thing. So 5 year news photography experience also with me, and those things are actually still just motivating me to continue with the photography field. And another area means I like it to see the nature very greenery, the landscaping and organic farming. Whenever I used to get some time, I used to touch with the soil and plant some trees or gardening and all these things also there. And another, it's a very special area is cooking. I used to, whenever
Okay.
we are cooking, because cooking sometimes, even my wife is here. Come on, it is a teamwork, and here also there. So she is my missus, and just whenever we
Hello,
are
ma'am. Namaste. Namaste.
okay, whenever we are getting time, sometimes the Sundays and other days, and because it's a reason is there, we have a club in our village. So every time, the club team members, the club members, we used to go to the temple and helping to the professional cooking team by cutting the vegetables and all. So in that influence created us, the cooking is very interesting. And the next day, the serving something to the people, public, the society, in connection with the wedding and all. So that way we got this some connection with the serving also, serving, distributing the food. All these things are actually shaping our what we can say, our hobbies. And still I am very much happy to whenever I am getting time, just going with her and cooking something in the kitchen. And I don't have any shame that, okay, if I am cooking in the kitchen or washing the plate, and these things are not insulting me, because it's a part of a life.
Ajay Kumarji is a multi-dimensional personality and having so many skills. Such an inspiring person, sir. Sir, anything you want to say to your students and your colleague?
Yeah, in anything means, what I should say. Only one thing I have to tell to my students and parents, especially to the parents. Nowadays the parents are actually not permitting our children to grow with their own route. We are just pushing our children. So, okay, you go for engineering, go for that only for a money making habit they are making. But more than that, we must identify that what is a child and what type of quality he need to develop. So life skill and a child need all kind of personality. He or she need to look after their parents, and she need to contribute something for the society, and he or she must be a better human being, and try to understand the upper level and lower level financial condition of the society and work for them. So all these things are actually, it happens only this social mingling. So it is possible only through the club activities. Whenever we do something, our old festivals and club activities, all this, so we must send our children independently to act with the village clubs, so that they can understand that what is society. So with that base only they can develop their own personality, how they can act for the society. That if the child is not acting something for the society, then the life is totally waste. Because earning money is I think it's not only a target for life, but how you are enjoying the life, that is more important than the money. There are a lot of values. So we must uh, give a chance to our children to understand about the values of our life, which we taught or which we were experienced through Mahabharata and Ramayana and all other that philosophy. The entire world is focusing on values only. Without value, then I don't think that the human life is something good. This is what I
Right.
want to.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
And
okay,
I'm really, really happy that uh, you are sharing your very insightful remarks with us. Also, thank you so much for your time. Again, accept our heartiest congratulations on getting India's highest Teachers Award. Sir, anything you want to say about this conversation or our initiative, Sarkari School?
okay. This is a very, very, very good initiative, because through our discussions, I think there are many peoples are watching over this program. Or in future also, if you upload somewhere, the future also there are many is going to see this program. So I think our interaction, our face-to-face interaction, may give a spark to their life, to start or to change a little. Then I will be, or we will be, or our team will be. Now you are also connected with our team, so whenever you feel to talk, you can conduct something like that. And this teamwork only can change the art integrated learning. So this is also a possibility for integrating the art through other subjects. So I think this is the only message. Through collaborative work only we can do something. So I'm very happy with you and your that Sakari school program. I think is very, very, and I'm very, very greatly thanking you and your team, those who are behind this great work. Just giving a big salute to all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And please keep inspiring with your creative work. And we will love to connect with you in future. In fact, we will love to invite you in some program. And the way you are working for art, the way you are integrating art with learning, super, super inspiring, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.